What are the risks of low conductivity in jet fuel and how to prevent it? So, if your fuel has low conductivity, the biggest risk is the buildup of static electricity. And when you have this static electricity buildup, it can lead uh, to it causes sparks, and those sparks can ignite um, flammable vapors and causing fires or explosions that are dangerous. Okay, so that is the biggest risk of your jet fuel having low conductivity. So again, the key points to remember is when your fuel has low conductivity, it has high risk of building static electricity, which will then cause sparks during pumping or movement or transfer of fuel in pipelines, and those sparks can can ignite flammable vapors, which will then cause explosions and fires. So in order to prevent um, the static buildup in your fuel, an additive which is called static dissipator additive, or SDA, is added to your fuel to increase its conductivity and prevent the risk of static buildup. So that's it for this video. I hope you learned something from this video. Cheers. Have a good one.